Welcome back to the channel. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe my channel. Today we are explore how to create soft light rays using color dodge in Photoshop. Now I open Photoshop and place the background image on a medium canvas. I create a new blank layer and set it to color dodge. I select a soft round brush and pick a warm light color. Slowly, I paint diagonal strokes where light would naturally filter through the scene. The brightness grows quickly, so I reduce opacity immediately to keep control. I pause, stepping back to feel the mood because light rays must guide emotion, not distract. Next, I blur the layer gently so rays appear soft and natural. I add a layer mask and clean unwanted areas for smoothness. I check how the light interacts with foreground